You've written an incredible book. But without expert formatting, broken layouts will instantly tell readers you're an amateur. We provide premium, platform-certified book formatting for print and digital layouts, guaranteed to pass major self-publishing checks. Forget generic templates. We meticulously handcraft your typography, custom chapter headers, margin alignments, and complex front and back matter. Let's find your perfect package. Our basic tier at $99 is built for short reads up to 25,000 words. You get complete print and digital files, genre-appropriate formatting, clickable navigation, layout setup for major platforms, and one full revision round, delivered in 3 to 4 days. Upgrading to our standard package at $199 unlocks formatting for full-length books up to 100,000 words. This grants you custom print ebook styling, flawless section breaks, comprehensive platform-compliant files, and 2 revision rounds, delivered in 5 to 7 days. For complex, epic-length masterpieces, our premium package gracefully handles massive manuscripts up to 500 pages or 200,000 words. Getting started is effortless. Simply select your package online, then securely upload your Word or Google Doc with your custom formatting notes. Our typographic designers immediately align every gutter, heading, and margin to industry standards, delivering your beautiful first draft straight to your inbox. Review your draft, use your package's included revision rounds for adjustments, and download your final, publication-ready files instantly. Stop letting bad margins ruin a great story. Head over to publishingspot.com, choose your package, and let's launch your book beautifully.